So today I'm going to show you how to make money online. And this is really exciting because this is a concept that not a lot of people really understand. And the best part about this whole thing is that you don't need any money to get started and you don't even need a credit card. So if you want the secret to making over $100 per day online, then keep watching. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, it's my sole purpose to help you see that you don't need a job, you need an income. So if you want help to build that income, join the family now by subscribing below. So the secret to making money online is not as much as a secret as a lot of these online gurus kind of make it out to be. A lot of times they just, will send you down this path where they tell you what you could do with the money that you could earn using their program or whatever it happens to be. But the actual concept, they don't really give you any good actionable advice, as to what you can do step by step to actually build that same income for yourself. Well, that changes today. I want to give you a good example of how making money online works. So one way that you can make money online, and we'll use a perfect example here of a restaurant. So I want you to think about your favorite restaurant. Don't worry, I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. All right, you got it? Perfect. So one of my favorite places in this area is a pizza place. All right. I love pizza. I can eat pizza all day long. It's one of my favorite dishes ever. Okay. And I go to this pizza place so often that the owner knows me. He knows. I walk in, I say hi. He says hi. We know each other. We are on a first name basis. So now let's just say one day I walk into the pizza place and the owner tells me, hey, you come here so often. You love our pizza so much. If you were to tell your friends and family about us and they come in and say, hey, Chris sent me to come get this great pizza, then I will give you a percentage of the sale. Let's just say it's 10% of the sale, whatever it happens to be. So now that gives me great incentive to go out and tell as many people as I possibly can how great this pizza is, because if they come through and say that I sent them, I'm going to get 10% of whatever they spend in the restaurant. That, my friends, is called affiliate marketing. That's exactly what affiliate marketing does. You go out there, you have a product that you enjoy, a product that you like using, and then you go out there and tell as many people as you possibly can. Now, in the olden days, back in the day, it was really difficult to scale a business like that because there's only so many friends that I might have, and there's only so much family that's probably going to get annoyed with me telling them how great this pizza place is, especially if people don't like the pizza. But because of the internet, because of this huge thing that we are able to take advantage of, especially since we're stuck at home right now, is making it to where we can have access to nearly 4 billion people. Let me think about that. 4 billion, that's with a B, people. There's only about 7.5, 8 billion people on the planet. And you're telling me half of them have access to the internet. And a lot of them have credit cards and they're going to spend money online. So all you need to do is kind of insert yourself in the middle for something that you like to do, something that you like using, some products, some digital products, whatever it happens to be. Put yourself in the middle and start promoting it to people who are interested in it. And because of the internet, because of the 4 billion people who are out there, you only have to convince a small percentage of them to actually buy something where you can get a percentage of the sale. Kevin Kelly, for example, says that if you have 1,000 true fans to spend to buy something that you recommend where you get $100 kickback. All right. 1,000 people. That's all you need to get. And you can make $100,000 a year. Now that seems a little out there, but think about it. There's 4 billion people in the world and you only need 1,000 of them to actually buy something to the point to where you can make a full-time income. It's not as difficult as it seems. That's really like 0.000001 of the entire population of the earth. You need a small percentage of them so that you can make a full-time income. Now, affiliate marketing kind of gets a bad rap. A lot of times people are promoting products that they don't believe in, or they're promoting, bad products that doesn't really help anybody, but they're just promoting them because it pays them a good commission. That's not what we're going to do in this particular business opportunity. Okay. We are going to take products that we use, products that we like, products that we enjoy, just like we did with our particular restaurant example. And we're going to tell as many people who want to know about it, okay? If you had a room full of doctors, you're not gonna try to push on them some lawyer training, okay? They're a room full of doctors. They're gonna be interested in doctor stuff. And that's what we are going to try to do. We're going to pick a niche. We're gonna find people who are interested in that niche, and then we're going to promote products that are around that niche that they are more likely to buy. That is basically what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. So the trick there is, just as we mentioned, we have to get our affiliate links. So we have to get these products around the right people. So how do you get these products around the right people? So that's where we're going to come in today, because the opportunity that we have here, like we mentioned, you don't need any money to get started, and you don't even need a credit card to get started. And that is called starting a blog. Okay, so I know we talk about it a lot on this channel about entrepreneurship and finding ways to get your product in front of the right people. And writing and creating a blog is one of the best ways in which you can do it. So you would basically sit down, come up with an idea, come up with a niche that you are interested in, and then start creating content or articles around that particular subject. So as you are writing these articles, each one of those articles point to one page, and that one page on your website is going to be a sales page for basically everything that someone would need to know about their niche. We can also call it like a money page or a resource page. On that page, you're going to list every product that you would need to use in your particular niche. For example, if you were doing golf as a particular niche to jump into, you might want to go on this resource page and put recommended golf clubs, recommended golf shoes and shirts and hats and balls and bags, and just the whole litany of everything that you would want someone to perhaps purchase, something that they would need to buy in order to start that niche. So now you're going to create articles around that particular page. You're going to write an article about how can I fix my slice, when in terms of golfing. You're going to write what's the best golf shoes to wear, what's the best golf shirt to wear, what are the best golf balls, and you're going to give good information in each one of these articles. Nothing too biased, just something that people can read, learn from, and then actually at the end of the article, you're going to motivate them to make a move. Whatever it happens to be, just motivate them to do something. I wouldn't put an affiliate link on each one of these pages, but I would put a ton of affiliate links on that main money page. So then when people, all these little tentacles that are out there on Google and on Yahoo, people are asking these questions, people are finding the answers on your blog and then going to your money page, and then they're going to make the purchase, and then you get a cut from it. It's the best way to make money online. Now, another way that you can do it, if, for example, a blog is not your best option, you can also create a YouTube channel. And check this out, you don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do, but if you put a little bit of effort with it, anything in this world that's worth it is going to take a little bit of effort. So you can go out there and start creating videos, actually showing people things that you use every day because you're already doing this niche. You're already golfing, you're already making coffee, you're already exercising, you're already doing these things every day. So you might as well start using some of the products that you use personally and showing people how you use the product, showing people the great stuff about the product that makes it so wonderful. And then just simply put your affiliate link somewhere in the video or on your money page, and then direct those people to go to that page to go buy something if they want to. So I know what we went over is going to be foreign to some of you. Some of it is not going to make much sense. For some of you, I could have just been speaking a totally different language right now for the past few minutes, but I want to make this as simple as possible as I can for you. So I have put together a free training that you can check out over at benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. I have a free video series where I show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing that we just discussed. Start your online business, start with affiliate marketing, start your blog, and get it going today. Not in a few weeks, not in a few months. I'm talking about right now, ready to go. It's free to start, and you don't even need a credit card. You just need your email address to get right in. Again, go check it out, benjisdad.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description, and to even show you that I'm not just going to throw you to the wolves, that I'm going to actually be with you. I'm going to help you out. I'm going to be your mentor. If you take the time to go out there and sign up and get ready to start your online business, I will help you every step of the way. And I'm not just talking about a little automated message from me every once in a while. I'm going to personally reach out to you and tell you what you need to do. I'll check out your website. I'll check out your YouTube channel, whatever it happens to be. Just let me know and I will help you get going. I've done this for hundreds of students in the past, and I'll definitely do it for you. So be sure to go check it out again, benjisdad.com. Link is down in the description.